doctor. Yes, come in.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please take your seat.
Thank you, doctor.
I am Dr. Shivanand. Tell me what's your problem.
I am a social worker. I have fear about coronavirus. How to take care myself? Please advise me, doctor.
Don't worry, I will tell you how to be safe from coronavirus. Always wear mask